today we are going to be talking about Swish Worsted Weight Yarn from We Crochet. So I had the pleasure of being sent this yarn for a design, and I wanted to share it with you. It's called Swish Worsted Weight, and it is obviously worsted weight yarn. And on their website, crochet.com, there are 33 colors in just this yarn line. And so you can see I've got 4 of them here. And from left to right, we've got the Wonderland Heather, Cobblestone Heather, Rainforest Heather, and the Copper. So really, really great colors. The heather yarns just suck me right in. I love a well done heathered yarn. It has to be subtle, and these are just gorgeous. Teal is my favorite color, or one of my favorite colors, I should say. And this is heathered very, very subtly with, looks like almost like a white or a cream in there. Absolutely beautiful when it works up. And this Rainforest Heather is heathered with this copper. So again, very subtle, but absolutely beautiful. Love the colors, and I actually plan on trying a design with these 2 colors together because they're just really pretty. Now let's talk more about what the yarn actually is. So when you get this yarn, it comes in a 50-gram skein, and each 50-gram skein has 110 yards in it. It is, again, it's a worsted weight, size 4 medium weight yarn, and it is 100% fine superwash merino wool. That means it's machine washable and dryable, which is always a winner in my books, especially with having kids around. You never know what's going to happen. And for the recommended hook size, it calls for an I to a K hook size, and it says that 11 to 14 single crochets equals 4 inches. If you are a knitter, then it calls for a number 6 to 9 hook, and 4.5 to 5 stitches equals 1 inch. Being a merino wool, it is soft, like really, really soft. So if any conceptions or thoughts you have of scratchy wool, you can just leave those at the door, because this yarn is amazing. I really love this, and I've worn it multiple times. It goes right next to the skin, and no scratchiness, no irritation, and I have pretty sensitive skin. I have a son who has eczema, and he's like irritated by almost everything. And I would feel confident putting this on him, not feeling like this would irritate him whatsoever. Just really lovely, really great. As far as stitch definition it has pretty decent stitch definition. I'd say it's pretty much middle of the line. I wouldn't say it's too soft. You can definitely see a well-defined stitch, but it's not that really like harsh stitch definition that you can get with some other coarser type yarns. I really, really liked it, enjoyed working with it, and no issues with splitting. The project itself has wonderful drape, and honestly, like, this yarn is really going to make it into the regular rotation of my favorites. Just absolutely, absolutely love this. So, and again, this is my opinion. Yours might differ from mine, but that's why I'm here, is to give you my opinion. I definitely will be working with this again. As you can see, I've got 4 different colors. I've already used up almost all of this one, but I'm planning on doing something with this, and possibly something with just the Cobblestone Heather on its own. But if you're wanting to check out this yarn, you can check it out on the We Crochet website. I will link to it in the description box below. And if you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you have used this yarn, I'd love to hear also what your experience was. And let's chat about that and see what everybody else thinks. So thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, I'd love it if you gave that a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.